Good morning to all of you. It is heartening to note that, rather we are feeling sorry to note that yesterday Justice Bhattu Devanand of Andhra Pradesh High Court had given punishment of 1 week simple imprisonment and a fine of rupees 1000 under Contempt of Courts Act against the senior higher officers, IAS cadre, Mr. Chiranjeevi Chowdhury and Girija Shankar, for their non-implementation of the orders given by the High Court as well as the government also. Mainly the government has given the orders, but still under one rule or other, under one pretext or other, they did not so-called implement the rules. Why and what things have happened? Let us better know first. In the month of September 2020, the government of AP issued notification for the post of village horticulture assistants by the agriculture department or separately for horticulture department. So they gave a notification, but within a couple of days they have changed the formula and they have changed the qualifications also. So with this 36 persons, they are aggrieved with the change in the so-called notification. Therefore, they approached the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh in September itself, on September 28th or so. So the Honorable High Court has given interim directions that these 36 people who are saying that they have been affected with this, so their cases also should be considered. But the results were announced, these people were not given any chance. So even though the government ordered the two officers, Girija Shankar and Chiranjeevi Chowdhury, they have not implemented the orders. So by saying some different stories. So various, of course, if they want to delay, normally there will be so many reasons. So for one reason or other, they have been pending the issue. Ultimately, these people have to file a contempt petition before the Honorable High Court. Now, when this matter came up, so the Honorable High Court yesterday asked their personal attendance of the two IAS officers. Yesterday, they have attended. Then they asked, why you have not implemented other? Then they said some rule or things like that. So, government, the Justice Honorable, the High Court did not agree with their explanation or with their affidavit. And it is a clear contempt of the court. So the government has given directions. It is your duty to implement the directions. If you cannot implement, you have to bring it to notice of the government. In the meantime, the High Court of AP, it has also given some directions. You have to implement the interim directions. You have not implemented the same. Both things you have not. It shows your arrogance and your negligence on the part of the orders issued by your higher officers like the government or the High Court. You don't have any respect to the court. So why don't you take action under contempt? They have taken action. Therefore, they have ordered these two people, two IAS officers, to simple imprisonment for 1 week and 1000 rupees fine. So Contempt of Courts Act, you may be knowing, as per section 12 of the Contempts of the Courts Act, the maximum punishment is only 6 months and the fine is maximum fine only up to 2000. But who are the contemptors? Normally highly educated people, lawyers, judges, these government officers. So normally, so they don't want to give more than 6 months punishment. Of course, here only some 1 week punishment was given. Right? So the court came to the conclusion that they deliberately violated or ignored the order, citing various reasons. Right? So government also filed a petition expressing displeasure over the negligence and arrogance of the officers. So what to do? So the High Court held them guilty of negligence and imposed a simple imprisonment for 1 week. Right, and also directed them to implement the orders of the court, so to induct these 36 people. Of course, at the request of the government pleader, Sri Suman, so the High Court has come down and they have recalled the order on the promise given by the PP and also the government officers, Mr. Chowdhury and Girija Shankar, that they would implement the orders. So the punishment orders of 1 week they have been recalled. So this is the first time in AP history, of course, after the bifurcation or the reorganization, first time in AP High Court, these 2 years also. Previously, when Justice Boda Raghuram was there in the combined state, so he used to punish the government officers like anything. But nowadays it was not the case. But once again the thing started. So, as an officer, number one, you are supposed to implement the orders of the government. Number two, you are supposed to implement the orders of the High Court also. If you show contemptuous attitude, definitely, no doubt, maybe an IAS officer, maybe a senior officer, maybe a DGP, maybe secretary, all of them have to bow down before the court and suffer the punishment. Why should you go to that extent? Why don't you implement the orders? So this is the lesson we have to draw. So friends, even though you become an officer, please have a respectful attitude toward the court and implement its orders. If you have got any grievances or grievance, you can straight away file a petition before the court stating that it is just not possible. Like that you can tell. But ignoring or don't care attitude or negligence attitude or arrogant attitude will not suffice, right? With these words, I am putting a stop. Please read the case. It is already come in the press also. Thank you very much.